In this video, we'll go through exam questions that cover the criteria use a suitable instrument to measure mass and length. You can locate the questions on the mathsmath.com website under entry 3. The questions come from different exam boards. We'll start with the non-calculated questions and then we'll move to the calculated questions. Here is the first one. Paolo has got another box of sweets. He measures this box to see if it will fit on the shelf. What instrument should he use? Tick your answer. Measuring a box to see if it will fit on a shelf means you're going to measure the length or the width or the depth of it. So the instrument that we use is a ruler. We can't use a scale because that would be linking with weight, and a measuring jug that would be linking with capacity, which isn't the case here. Which one of these measuring instruments is best to measure 100 grams of sugar? Tick 1. A is a scale, more like a luggage scale, so that's not the appropriate instrument to measure 100 grams of sugar. You're looking for a kitchen scale, which is this one. B is a cup, so you need to measure liquid in there. And then we've got D, measuring jug, which again is for measuring liquid. You could use a cup or measuring jug to put sugar in and use that. However, nothing in there specifies whether it's 100 grams because that links to weight, and the only thing you can use in that case is the kitchen scale. We now move into the calculated questions. Amy weighs some flour. Which instrument does she use? Tick your answer. To weigh some flour, you use a kitchen scale, which is C. A is to measure temperature, it's a thermometer. B is a ruler to measure length. And D is a measuring cup, which is used to measure liquid, which isn't the case here. Jamie makes donuts. He measures the amount of milk he needs. Which instrument should he use? Tick your answer. To measure the amount of milk he needs to use a measuring cup or a measuring jug, which is B in this case. The rest of the instruments are not for this purpose. Which one of these measuring instruments is the most suitable to measure a person's waist? Tick 1. A is for long distances, it's a measuring wheel. We've got B, which is a measuring tape, and that's the one that we use to measure a person's waist. Then we have rulers in C and D, which we don't use to measure a person's waist. Which one of the following is the best to weigh butter? Tick 1. That would be the kitchen scale, which is option C. A doesn't work, B doesn't work either, and neither does D. And this is the end of the questions.